We begin tonight with breaking news. The pause on J&J's vaccine officially lifted just moments ago. The CDC and FDA made the move after a panel of CDC advisors recommended the shot go back in rotation for all American adults. The group also advises adding a warning about the small risk of an extremely rare blood clot. So far, U.S. health officials say they're aware of 15 cases out of nearly 8 million Johnson & Johnson shots administered nationwide. The blood clots occurred only in women, most of them under the age of 50. 3 of them died, and 7 are still in hospitals. Ultimately, the panel decided the benefits of the shot outweigh the risks of the blood clots. Today's vote comes as America's vaccine rollout appears to be stalling. Right now, the CDC reports we're averaging about 2.9 million shots in arms a day, which is down more than 11% from last week. In a moment, I'll speak with Dr. Peter Hotez about restarting J&J's rollout and what it means for vaccine hesitancy. First, to CNBC's Meg Terrell breaking down the panel's recommendations. Hi, Meg.
Hey, Shab. Well, the vote of the CDC Advisory Committee was 10-4 with 1 abstention. But those who voted no weren't opposed to use of the J&J vaccine. It really was a debate about how the vaccine should start to be used again. A lot of the committee's discussion focused on the risk for women under age 50 because they appeared to be at highest risk of this very rare clotting event after receiving the J&J vaccine. Of the 15 cases reported, all were women and 13 were under 50 years old. The committee found the risk of these clots for women in that age group was about 7 per million, compared with less than 1 per million for women over 50. Now, overall, the committee found the benefits of the vaccine across all groups in preventing hospitalization and death from COVID outweighed the risk of these clots. But there was discussion about flagging the risk specifically for younger women so they could choose another vaccine if available. Now, local leaders like New York's Mark Levine are already anticipating having the only one-shot vaccine available again.
It's a brand name which is well known. I've certainly talked to people who have told me that they were waiting to get a vaccine until J&J came back onto the market.
Now, Levine said the vaccine is especially helpful for harder-to-reach populations, something we heard from the CDC panel today, too. People experiencing homelessness, those who are homebound or incarcerated. Now, the vaccine's information has already been updated by the FDA with notification of these events, which are rare but can be severe. And the panel noted they'll continue to assess the risk-benefit of the vaccine as we move through the pandemic. Shep?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.